Look what I just made. Professional, fast, and incredibly simple. What if I told you that you could create a full-stack, AI-powered web application from a simple idea to a live URL just by having a conversation? Yes, you can. And today, we're going to build a fully functional SaaS product from scratch using YouWare, an AI platform that literally turns your ideas into working web applications just by having a conversation with it. But here's what makes this different. I'm not just showing you how to build something cool. I'm showing you how to build something that can actually make you money. We're talking about creating a SaaS that solves real problems, has minimal competition, and can be monetized in multiple ways. So, let's dive in. So what is the YouWare AI? It is the world's most user-friendly vibe coding platform. It lets you generate, design, and even debug your app simply by chatting with a genius developer copilot. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a real-world SaaS that actually can make money. Okay, let's start creating the app or SaaS tool. Before heading over to YouWare, we need an idea. You can ask ChatGPT or Gemini for the idea. They will provide you a tons of idea. Just select one of them and move forward. For example, I want to create a SaaS called MediScript AI. You know, doctors spend nearly half their working hours documenting patient visits. It's a multi-billion-dollar headache. The solution: a specialized dashboard that converts consultation notes into formatted medical reports and syncs them to a database. This is a high-value SaaS with low competition in the independent creator space because most people think it's too technical to build. With YouWare, it's just a conversation. So, create your account on YouWare. You will find the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. This is clean and very simple. Now, here in this box, you have to enter the prompt. Basically, describe your apps, what you need. For example, I am typing, build a medical documentation dashboard called MediScript AI. You can notice that when I wrote this line, the AI is actually suggesting the context. And it's really convincing. This will help you if you are not so expert of prompt writing. You just have to press the tab button and the text will be added to the prompt box. I have entered the full prompt. Now, if you have any assets like an interface, logo, or any document, you can attach them from here. Next, click on the settings icon from here. The MCP tool pop-up will appear. You can add Figma, Supabase, Notion, GitHub, YouTube, AskGive, and Google Maps to your project or apps. But the most interesting thing is here, YouBase. YouWare Backend and AI API are now part of YouBase. Okay, after selecting the MCP tools, select the LLM model to write the code. You will find all the popular models here. Every tool has its own intelligence and speed. Select which one you want to use. If you are not sure, select the Auto option. Once you are done, hit the Send button to generate the app or tool. Now YouWare AI will analyze the request and send it to the best AI model to write the code and create the app. It's like a highly qualified team of engineers is working behind the scenes. You can see the progress in real time. As it will take some time, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, the app is ready. And it looks really amazing. Most importantly, it's completely responsible and mobile friendly. However, you can see that the app is not working. It's not functional because the database and backend are not working. We have to connect this front end with a database to make it work. To do that, click on the cloud icon here. It will connect you to the YouBase. This handles your data storage, user authentication, and sensitive API keys without you needing to set up a single server. Alright, once the YouBase is connected, our app is now working, and it looks okay. However, we need to add the wow factor to bring a professional look. This is where Boost comes in. With one click, YouWare transforms your pages into visual masterpieces by automatically improving colors, fonts, and animations. It moves you beyond that default AI purple look to something truly premium. However, if you need more customization, you can ask YouWare AI agent to do that. But I can't do perfect every time. If you want to change a specific word or move an image, you don't need to write a new prompt. Use visual editing. Click the small arrow icon, tap any element on the canvas and edit it directly. Most of these edits are free, so you save your credits for the big stuff. There is another amazing feature expectedly. If anything goes wrong, you don't need to find the problem and fix it manually. Just click on the autofix icon from here, and the AI will handle the rest. Now imagine another scenario. During customization of the app, you found the previous version was way better than this one, and you might regret spending credits without any cause. Don't worry. Just click the rewind button on the edit page, confirm again and click rewind, and the credits will be back to your account. Isn't it amazing? We've gone from a simple prompt to a fully functional data-connected medical SaaS in record time. Now look at the final result. We have a responsive, secure dashboard that doctors can actually use. YouWare turns your ideas into reality. No complex skills needed. Now you can deploy and share inside YouWare or download the app to host on any hosting platform. If you host it inside YouWare and anyone uses your app, you will get money from YouWare. This is most easiest way to make money. If you can create something amazing, there is a good opportunity to make money. So whether you are an entrepreneur, an artist, or just a hobbyist, YouWare is built for you. It's playful, visually stunning, and feels like a natural extension of your creativity. Don't just watch me build it. Start your own project today. Click the link in the description to sign up for your free account. And remember, with Credit Care, you have nothing to lose. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Ninja. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.